Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss more about Tesla stocks and option stocks for you. Before that, let's have some little bit of discussion about why Tesla stocks. Currently, battery day is coming up 22nd September, which is a huge catalyst for options trading in Tesla. You might have seen that in past few weeks Tesla have been completely on roller coaster. It was ups and downs and ups and downs, especially after announcement of split on 13th, I guess, 13th of August. It was a huge run up. You can see starting from 13th of August till 1st of September, it was on the roller coaster. It was going up and up and up, and same with other stocks like Apple and Amazon. At the same time, this whole Nasdaq saw huge amount of sell-offs from 2nd September, and it was completely a table turn around when Tesla fell down more than 21% in one day. So considering all that, I would definitely suggest you to play safe game. As far as options are concerned, I always say only play options when you have good amount of money, especially if you can afford long-term options. Options are very risky, and I would definitely suggest you to invest on companies which are more progressive, which goes up. Buying puts can be a bit risky, especially considering so much ups and down in this market. There are many factors like United States elections, um, sell-offs from institutions, market risk, and currently because of COVID-19 and completely unarranged way of understanding tech stocks, which is kind of a bubble that many people talk about. But it's not actually bubble, it's just the way a market behaves when you have something, uh, some kind of sentiment that flows in people's mind when they listen that some stocks are going to go up and up and up, and people thought that Tesla is always going to be up. So you can see that it was a run up for weeks, and when stock split happened, everyone was anticipating that it will drop. It didn't drop for one day, rather it keep increasing. It crossed even $500 by the market, and in after hours it crossed more than $530, and it was completely absolute insane. Next day it dropped a little, not so much, and then it dropped a lot. So as you can see in graph also that the moving averages are flattening now, and taking in consideration battery day, I strongly recommend that having some sort of gains at this moment can be of huge profitability. At the same time, it has some risk. For Tesla as a progressive stock, I definitely not recommend any kind of puts. Don't buy puts at this moment because it's already at a lower price than what it was a few days before, uh, when it was almost touching $500, and it was completely insane. At the same time, now it's already $130 low. It was already $150 low few days back. So not considering the fact that it stock split happened, then you go back to 13th of August, you can see that the average price was almost around $380. Currently it's again around $380. So what I'm trying to say is that despite the fact that this whole run up happened, um, Tesla stock price still is a lot above what it was before. So before the split on, if you go on 12th of August or 13th of August, you can see that the range is between 320 to 340, but currently is already above 360. It is between 360 and 380. What I'm trying to say is there are huge potential. It can have again a run up till battery day, and don't miss out. As a contrary thing that I want to tell you, to be more secure and more profitable at the same time by buying calls which are a little more longer in terms of the time decay, so that you can keep your money and you will not lose a lot of money on time decay factor. So I understand it's going to be pretty expensive, more than 10,000, but only buy options if you can afford that. Otherwise, you might end up losing a lot of money, like I lost in last few days, because when there was a dip over here, I purchased some, and I didn't sold it here because I was expecting that it will go again or run up, but it didn't happen. It dropped the next day again, and because of the market behavior currently in Nasdaq fallout, I strongly recommend you to buy something for long term. If you can buy stocks, you can buy calls for long term. So these are the red line that I'm indicating, starting from October 30th to whatever date you can choose. But buy options long term. This is the just matter. If you're lucky, you can get in short term better. During this time till September 21st, there will be a lot of uh, trading happening in the stock market by retail stock um, investors and some institutions as well. Recently, we heard of SoftBank and so many information that they have invested, and they have done so many options trading. So, taking in consideration so many eyes on this Tesla stock, I strongly recommend you that anything can happen. So, be safe, play safe, take the call of long term. That's what I say. In my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. I leave it up to you. There are other things that I want to discuss about it, like why Tesla. So, like it has fabulous design, fabulous um, models, options we have. It gives a kind of great feeling if you sit inside Tesla. There are a lot of haters of Tesla, which sits on Wall Street analyst panel, and they talk about so many bad things about Tesla, and they go back home and they buy for themselves. They don't buy for the institutions. So there are a lot of analysts which personally say that they have purchased tons of Tesla stock, but they don't purchase it for the institution because they always stick to the same price target of having Tesla as $116, $150, $130, and it's completely meaningless. At the same time, UBS today lifted its price target for Tesla from 175 to $350. You can imagine how they got job um, taking this kind of price estimates, even if the current price is already above that. So their analysis is completely wrong. I would not say that the evaluation is wrong, but at present, if you already see the stock prices are so high, you cannot say that uh, it should be price target should be this and that. I mean, there are a lot of factors which controls the stocks of Tesla, and people realize that the same thing happened a few years ago for Amazon, and you can see what's history and what's the present situation. There are a lot of news about Tesla Model 3. You can see that the Chinese production in the Gigafactory at Beijing, oh sorry, about Shanghai Chinese factory is supposed to uplift their production of Model 3, and they are supposed to supply to Europe and other Asian countries, which can be possibly a game changer for Tesla Model 3 sales, because Model 3 is in great demand. It is a very reliable car. As you can see that there are so many news articles which are on Tesla Model 3, and most reliable car in UK was announced, and it was none other than Tesla Model 3. So many good news, so many haters, so many analysts. I I gave you what I think and what I believe in, because Tesla is something for long term. Tesla is definitely going to go up and up because their production is just scaling up. They are opening gigafactories in Berlin, they are opening gigafactory in Shanghai, uplifting their production. This is the only automaking company in this world which has waiting time of more than 4 weeks to deliver, while other car manufacturers, they have like already car ready to deliver to anyone. They are giving 0% interest on um, purchasing, which is like they are giving so many discounts and offer in this COVID situation, while Tesla having a huge waiting line. So you can imagine what is up to Tesla, and this feature that you have seen on screen about autopilot, its price was $5,000 earlier. it changed to 6,000, then 7,000, and now it's currently $8,000. And you can imagine that if your car have $8,000 of software, then your car resale price is already 8,000 plus the auto cost. So your resale price would be definitely higher than any other car that you will buy. And if this autonomous facility works 100%, trust me, the ride hailing app will appear and the Tesla stock will be a history that we can see right now. So, in my opinion, currently it's buy one, get five Tesla stocks, because many analysts understand or not, but Tesla is not just a car manufacturing company, it's a software company. It has a vision, and the biggest asset, none other than Elon Musk. On this battery day, very exciting news are going to come. Everyone is excited, even I am excited, and I'm very hopeful that some new electric vehicle will also get introduced. Elon Musk haven't explored world's second largest populated country, which is India, and they are anticipating some kind of announcement for small electric vehicles at cheaper cost so that they can also afford to run Tesla. Countries like India or China, they require a lot of EVs because they cannot sustain so much fuel. So the future is there, and Tesla has just started. There are many competitors, but even in China, this year in August, Tesla was the most sold EV vehicle. And you can imagine that they have 150 plus EV makers. And Elon Musk have tweeted that many exciting things will be unveiled on Battery Day 9/22. To let you know, Battery Day has been postponed two times in the past, and Elon Musk has confirmed on Twitter as well that there are many exciting things to be unveiled. So it means it's going to happen, and since it's going to happen, brace yourself for something big. I firmly believe in this company. I don't know about you, but go ahead and read more about it. The valuation is definitely something which raise eyebrows of many analysts, but at the same time, valuations are also based on hopes. This is the man who has put satellites in space using SpaceX, which was completely built from scratch in before my eyes. And I can tell you one thing, that if Tesla is not successful, then it's hard to believe that any other company can be sustaining in this competitive world. EVs are coming up, so many new companies are introducing, but currently Tesla is leading this list, and it will continue to lead for another few years because even their competitors are just newbies in this market. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for giving me your time, and I wish you good luck for the next trading day. I believe that this Tesla stock will be one of its kind, and we will remember this stock, as we have already seen a lot of run-ups from last few months, and this year have been absolutely insane for Tesla. And in coming time also we'll see a lot of different catalyst and a lot of different potentials coming in with Tesla to purchase. And I wish you all the best for next weeks, especially till the battery day, when you will feel yourself that you have done something good about your investing career. And for all my effort, I would really recommend you to subscribe my channel and give me a ravishing like. Thank you so much and have a great investing. Bye bye.